Tamale night.
Here in the Frampton household,
Show you a little hack.
get your tamale dough, 100 grams or so. Gotta roll it up into a tamale ball. Right here, your super high-tech Ziploc bag cut into almost two. Take this super tamale maker pan, smash it down. A little bit more. Get some filling. This is some Mexican seasoned chicken breast. Nice in there, roll it up. Grab a corn husk. Tamale goes in the husk. Kind of fold up your edges. Fold it under. Boom. Tamale hack. Put them in the steam pan. It's got the little holes at the bottom. Show you what we do next. It's like a magic trick. Boiling water. Tamales over the boiling water. Gotta have a big enough pan. Gravy. Mexican gravy. Exact. The big reveal. They're getting close.
Ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.